Today I'm gonna be doing another bike ride. Last year I did a bike ride with Turbo, but now I got a really beef on my head. I'm dirt. I'm saying, I gotta find my mom nice. I'm gonna try to make it. Yeah, I'm just in it, but I got a bike at wheel, boy. You think of my new bike? My new bike. So yeah. Not this. Okay. Backing it up. Yes, that's the same house. So this one's gonna be going like down the road or something. Yeah. But yeah. Let's just put my phone somewhere. But I can't. Hopefully my neighbor will tell. I'm gonna go out for the road and we'll come back. Yeah, it will be yeah. But I'm gonna go squat that. I'm gonna go 2 rides so I can like do like 3 rides or something. And my last ride to be like long as possible. I have like more stuff to do today. Chores and stuff. I just took my shower and stuff, so yeah. Holy crap. Ain't not bad. Like it? If you like it, make sure to subscribe. I like to subscribe and subscribe to the like button or scrub it. Okay. You know what? Just got it. You know, so yeah, that's it. Bike ride. Then I'm done. Okay. I'm gonna be okay. Bike ride. So, bye.